Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom domain on ProtonMail. And I will walk you through into the easiest way and fastest as possible. So understand and look closely. So let's start and go to your browser and search ProtonMail. So here in the ProtonMail, on the top menu, go to the pricing. As you can see, there are 4 options that you can choose when creating ProtonMail plans. The Proton Free account, the Mail Plus, Proton Unlimited, and the Proton Duo. So let's just go with Mail Plus. And after that, what you're going to do is go to your settings for Mail Plus. And from there, you need to find the domain options and set up everything that you need to set up. So now we go ahead and open a new tab and search for GoDaddy.com because that is where we are going to pay for the domain that we avail on the ProtonMail, which is the Mail Plus. Once you're inside the GoDaddy, go to the search bar and search your domain. Now, once your domain appears, all you have to do is to make it yours. And it will take you to transaction process. And that is how to add custom domains on your ProtonMail. If you think this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.